Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Magic: The Gathering Arena. First, download the free game client to your device. Once installed, you'll immediately begin an interactive tutorial. This guides you through the very basics of playing cards and understanding the game board. After completing the tutorial, you'll unlock 5 free 2-color starter decks, giving you a solid foundation of 60 cards each to start building your collection and playing. Understanding the core mechanics is crucial. Each player starts with 20 life points and draws 7 cards. During your turn, you can play 1 land card to generate mana, which is the resource needed to cast spells. You'll summon creatures to attack your opponent, aiming to reduce their life to 0 and also to defend yourself. Additionally, you can cast instants and sorceries for various powerful, one-time effects. Applying directional warmth is incredibly practical for daily comfort. Imagine warming your hands with a small USB hand warmer while typing, or wrapping a heated blanket around your legs on a cool evening. A hot water bottle placed at your feet can make a significant difference in overall warmth. Even a simple scarf can provide substantial warmth to your neck and chest, preventing chills from spreading throughout your body. As you progress, explore advanced play. Magic: The Gathering Arena offers various game modes, including ranked play and limited events like Draft, where you build a deck on the fly. You can earn in-game gold and gems to expand your collection with new card packs and customize your experience. Engaging with the community and practicing regularly will significantly enhance your strategic thinking and overall game sense.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.